Victoria.
Hello.
What have we here?
We have a bursting box of books.
Woohoo!
Let's share what we've got.
Ooh, the 3 little guinea pigs.
Fun, fun. Ooh, something wild.
Moon's Ramadan.
Zap, clap, boom. The story of a thunderstorm.
All Rise, the story of Ketanji Brown Jackson.
We have You Are a Story.
The Night Frolic.
Woven of the World.
Gato Guapo.
9 kilometers.
Sometimes it's nice to be alone.
Uh-oh, here we go. Potty saves the day.
Rabbit, Duck, and Big Bear.
All right, we have Little Chicks, little board book.
Silver Linings.
Not an Easy Win.
Wonder Dogs.
Sharks.
Wallflowers.
Oh, we're in the ocean again. The Forest in the Sea. Seaweed solutions to planetary problems.
Linus.
We've got A First Time for Everything. Looks like, yep, a graphic novel.